My good people, hello, I hope you're doing great. Karibuni sana to Kanini Flavors YouTube channel. If this is your first time watching, consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and also commenting nicely. For those who have always subscribed and watched, asanteni sana for your continued support. So on this episode, we are learning how to cook some pasta the simplest way. So just stay tuned. We see the recipe na pia uone ingredients step by step. So thank you so much. Tell your friends to come and watch Kanini Flavors so that they can learn how to cook and also eat healthy. Let's start. We have our hoho, which is 50 grams, our onions, 80 grams, our dania stems and dania leaves, which are both 40 grams, nyanya, it's 40 grams too, some tomato paste, around 15 grams. We also have our pasta, spaghetti, 200 grams. We'll need a pinch of salt and 130 grams of minced meat. And then our oil, iko na mafuta ya pilipili pia, so the normal oil na hiyo ya yellowish ni iko na pilipili. So let's start. We'll first start with our minced meat. You first preheat it for some few minutes. This is how our minced meat is looking like. Unaita nisishike pan. And then you can add some salt. And you ensure unaikoroga isishike hiyo sufuria ama pan. It's the simplest way to cook your spaghetti. Nyama yetu yaanza kushika sufuria, so I'll just add our kitunguu. Ndo isiungue. Then I add in my oil. Ndo isishike sufuria. And then come in with my pepper. After a few seconds, I add in my tomatoes. And then I cover to allow it to cook na steam. Our nyanya is well cooked, so I'll just turn it and then niongeze my dania stems. Hizo ni stems za dania and my paste. Tomato paste. The last ingredient that I didn't mention ni maji. Unaongeza maji ya kuivisha nyama and our pasta. Let's have a liter. And then you cover, you wait boil. Maji yetu imechemka, so I'll just put in my pasta. Nimeikata into 2. Na unaweza ikata into 2, into 3 ama hata uweke in full. Mine nimeikata into 2. Wait for them to boil pamoja. Na pia you ensure you've put enough salt to taste. Si chumvi either mingi ama kidogo hadi haisikiki. If it's time, I boil. Yes. As pasta is still cooking, as you can see, imagine me drain. Yep. Let's give it like 3 minutes to on it, and it will be ready. Our pasta is almost done. Imagine a drain. So I'll add my last ingredient, coriander leaves. Here is our final product. Is ready to be served. So delicious, hata inanukia vizuri. And also pia kuna kitu nimekumbuka, you can add other spices. Unaweza add garlic, unaweza add ginger, whichever spice you like. So mimi nimeiweka hivyo cause nilikuwa nataka hivyo ikiwa simple. Yes, that's it. So for today tunasimamia hapo. So thank you for watching, subscribing, liking and commenting nicely. So till next time, thank you.